How to block email on Pinterest app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to block email on Pinterest app. So for that there is two ways. First way is open any of the email that is sent from Pinterest app, then go to the bottom and tap on unsubscribe button. And the second one, another way, is go to your Pinterest app. Here go to the profile icon that is located on bottom right corner, and here go to the profile image on top left corner. Click on it and here tap on notification. So here you will see by email on Pinterest, by push notification, tap on by email. Here, in order to turn off your notification or in order to block email, just tap on turn off all. Now you can see here, are you sure you won't get any more emails notification from Pinterest for your personal account? So if you will confirm by tapping on turn off all, then you will not get any email from Pinterest. Just tap on turn off all. So in this way you can block email on Pinterest app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.